Do you wanna know how the the toothbrush of my friend sounds? Let me just see if I can find the file inside my head and repeat it to you. Not sure if that's the proper pitch. I hardly. But when I was. Wait, I hope I don't have anything in my teeth. But the friend that I was in a winter holiday with, she has this electric toothbrush. But do you do? Yeah, you still do this with the electric toothbrush or something, but not as. I haven't done this in a while, so I feel the rust. I need some grease. But there has been something that my brain has been chewing on while I'm eating. This is eating part 2. While I was eating. Have you been on a trip with a group? Because I think another thing that's contributing to this lagging is that I noticed that the inner voice or the thoughts aren't as clear as it was before I went on the trip. And I know that the reason for this is because I'm within the people. I was with the people for 5 days, and I didn't have that time, a lot of time to myself, to my thoughts, to my. So, do you also experience that? You kind of, when you're in a group, your voice or yourself is kind of like this with the rest of the group. So the tendency to hear the self is not as, you see, I hope I'm not speaking gibberish here. So I'm trying to retrieve myself. I probably should restart this video, or probably should restart. I have a question. do you also feel like your spirit is this surrealist painting that, or a book maybe, or a book that you look at or read in each different points of your life, and of course each time you interpret it as something different, or you see something that was not visible before, even if it was read, or even if it has been always written there or painted there. Because yeah, that's my question. They also feel that, like, whenever you look at your spirit, for example, I am this age now, my spirit doesn't look, or my spirit, my spirit feels like something that I'm constantly seeing for the first time. Even though there are familiar outlines there. Yeah, I would end this because I can't find myself. Not 100%. What am I doing? Am I having some kind of, I don't know, maybe this is something that happens when you were in a group after 4 or 5 days, and then suddenly you realize again that, oh, I have a life outside of the group. I have a self outside of the group. I have a lot of thoughts regarding that, because I now suddenly think of the mothers, the dads, and how they were before they had kids, and how they kind of had to dilute in a way to take care of the kids in other instances. But I shall start a new page.